Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Accent headlight bulb. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool. Gather your tools, including a new headlight bulb, and wear protective gloves to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the new bulb. It's also a good idea to check your owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any specific safety instructions. Now, let's access the bulb. Open your Hyundai Accent's hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly. You'll see an electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently press the small tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Next, there's usually a round, rubber dust cover. Carefully remove this by pulling it away from the housing to expose the bulb. With the dust cover off, you'll see a metal retaining spring or wire holding the bulb. Unclip this spring, usually by pushing it down and to the side. Now, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Align the tabs on the bulb with the slots in the housing, push it in firmly, and then resecure the retaining spring. Almost done, reconnect the electrical connector to the new bulb, making sure it clicks securely into place. Then, replace the rubber dust cover, ensuring it forms a tight seal to protect against moisture and dirt. Before closing the hood, turn on your Hyundai Accent's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Finally, close the hood, and you're all set with a bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.